Welcome back to Study While You Scroll. Let's have a go at this critical paths question from the 2020 Standard Maths HSC exam. We have a diagram showing the 10 activities required to prepare a meal, and we want to find the minimum time needed to prepare the entire thing, and we want to find the activities on the critical path. So for both these questions, all we need is the critical path. So let's work through our diagram and find our critical path with a process called scanning. Now, scanning is finding the longest possible time from the start vertex to each of these dots. Let's start with this one here. Our two options are 6 and 8, so we'll take the longer option, which is 8, and I'm going to draw an arrow there showing me how I got there. This dot here, there's only one option. I'm going to go 8 plus 12, and this is going to be a 20 for the total so far. For this dot up here, I can do 14 from the start, or I can do 20 plus 6, which is 26, and we're always going with the longest option. So we'll go the 26 that we came from up here. Over on the right now, only one path across here. 26 plus 10 is going to give us 36. Now for this dot down here, we've got two options. We can go 20 plus 9 for 29, or we can go 36 plus 8, which is going to give us the longer option, which is 44. So we'll go from the top and get the 44. Now to the end, 36 plus 7 is 43, but 44 plus 2 is longer, gets us 46. So we have 46 at the end that we got from here. Now the reason I did these arrows is because now it makes it very easy to see where my critical path is. So tracing back and filling these in, we have our critical path. So for part A, the minimum time needed is the length of the critical path, which we got at the end. It was 46 minutes. And the activities on our critical path we can see are C, D, E, F, H, and I. And that's how we get 2 marks for this question. Okay, there is actually a part 3 to this. So if you want to see the rest of this question, make sure you follow. It'll be up in a few days. Thanks.